Hey SDRs and BDRs, how are you thinking about the next level of your career? I'm Sarah Brazier, Senior SDR at Gong, and as part of our new series, Life After SDR, we're going to be talking about how to build your dream career. For many SDRs, this is your first step into the professional world after university. Or if you're like me, it's a career shift. Whatever the case may be, being an SDR is an amazing cornerstone to build the foundation of a fruitful career. Most SDRs move into a closing role and they're sales for life, but that's not for everyone. Sometimes you're 6 months into sales dev and you realize that other career options might be more interesting. Like maybe you're really into spreadsheets and a career in finance might be your way. Or you really like writing emails, so you want to try out content marketing. In this weekly video series, we're going to talk about how to springboard your career into whatever you want to be. But first, you'll need to figure out what you want to do. So to help you do that, we'll interview folks who have made the jump, and they'll break apart how to get there. Are you ready for the next level of your career? If so, comment yes below and make sure to follow Gong on LinkedIn to catch next week's video. I'm Sarah. When in doubt, hit the phones.